And so here we are on day 30 of Veda. This is the 30th video in a row. 30 days in April. 30 tips, tricks, features, YouTube rants, and a lot of my fluffy face. I'd like to thank everybody that's been here along with the ride. We've grown a fair bit. The community continues to ask questions, and I've enjoyed it. It's been hard editing videos, I'll be honest, but you know, for some of the people that know, I do suggest bulk recording. Why not give it a go yourself? You don't have to necessarily do Veda just in April. You can do it in August, or you can do it any month of your own choice. Just make your own acronym, tell your audience, and go for it. Now, I will be returning back to a normal posting routine. I plan on posting every Tuesday and every Saturday, but in the meantime, I'll also be adding a video most regularly on a Thursday until I get my live stream capabilities back as well. And then once I get my live streams back, we'll get back into the regular live streams. I hope you enjoyed this. Now, I would like to open this up to Q&A. So I will be making a Q&A video sometime in the future. Feel free to spam the comment sections down below with any questions that you would like answered in a Q&A format. If I feel that it needs its own video, I'll even make a video out of it itself. But this is it. 30 days. Congratulations if you've done it yourself. Congratulations if you tried. Right? Oh, well done. Go out there. Start creating. Keep going. And I'll see you back on my regular slots. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. See you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.